How to efficiently declutter and get rid of piles. Decluttering can be a daunting task, especially when piles of items start accumulating in our living spaces. In the next few minutes, we will discuss effective strategies to get rid of piles and maintain a clutter-free environment. By following these steps, you can declutter efficiently without creating more mess or feeling overwhelmed. Types of piles. There are two different types of piles that we commonly encounter during the decluttering process. The first type is purposeful piles, which are created intentionally while organizing and decluttering. The second type is regular life piles, which are the result of items being left unattended and not knowing where to put them. Dealing with regular piles. 1. 5-minute pickup. Set aside 5 minutes each day to quickly go through any piles that have accumulated. This prevents them from becoming overwhelming and ensures that items are dealt with promptly. 2. Establish a time. If you struggle with letting things accumulate, set a specific time to go through your pile before it becomes unmanageable. This proactive approach helps prevent clutter from building up. 3. Find a home for each item. When decluttering, put each item in its designated place. If something doesn't have a home, create one for it. Consider where you are most likely to look for that item first and keep it close to where it is frequently used. 4. Trash and categorize. Sort items into categories such as trash, donations, or items that need to be relocated. Dispose of trash immediately and place donations in a designated box. 5. Minimize clutter. Remember that clutter attracts more clutter. While it's acceptable to have a designated junk drawer or utility drawer for random items, try to keep it organized and declutter it regularly. 6. Container method. Your space has a limited size, so work with it. If you don't have enough space for all your belongings, consider what you truly need to function effectively. Use containers or designated spaces to store items and declutter once they are full. Dealing with legacy piles. Legacy piles are piles of items that have accumulated over time and may feel overwhelming to tackle. To break through this feeling, 1. No mess decluttering process. This method is designed to help you declutter without creating more mess. Follow these steps. Step 1. Look for actual trash and dispose of it immediately. Step 2. Look for items that already have an established home and put them back where they belong. This helps make the piles less intimidating. Step 3. Focus on donations. Give yourself permission to put items in the donation box, even if you feel unsure about letting go of them. Start with the easy stuff first. 2. Complete the task. By dealing with each item as you go, you avoid creating more piles and increase efficiency. This approach saves you from having to deal with the same item multiple times. Conclusion. Decluttering and getting rid of piles can be a manageable task if approached with the right mindset and strategies. By implementing the tips mentioned over the last few minutes, you can maintain a clutter-free environment and enjoy a more organized and stress-free living space. Remember, decluttering is an ongoing process, so make it a habit to regularly assess and declutter your belongings. To stay updated with more content like this, please remember to like and subscribe to our channel. All things simple.